Fear of the future. The concern to replicate the past and to ensure that the symbolism of Babylon City survived into the future might be seen as no more than a continuation of long-standing Mesopotamian tradition. But, just as Ashurbanipal's establishment of a library, for the sake of distant days, reflected a new concern that the past might altogether disappear, so too did the rulers of first millennium Babylon seem to have similar concerns. Most cultures either look forward to the future or look back towards the past, rarely both. When the future is bright, when what is yet to come seems most exciting, history is usually left to fend for itself. Germanic settlers in Western Europe left most Roman city centres to rot. Thatched wooden shacks in the forum, animal pens in the circus, pigsties in the public baths. Medieval cathedral builders showed little respect for the primitive chapels of their forefathers. Victorian architects in industrializing, modernizing Britain, with its rapidly developing science and its great feats of engineering, could hardly wait to pull down all those ghastly, old-fashioned, neoclassical Georgian terraces. True, these were often replaced by buildings designed in a fantasy version of medieval style, but keeping the old in place was never on the 19th century agenda. As late as the 1940s, when Swiss art historian Siegfried Giedion, Mesopotamia, and Mark van der Meerop's scholarly The Ancient Mesopotamian City, paperback edition published by Oxford University Press in 1999, and the enjoyable Mesopotamia, The Invention of the City, by Gwendolyn Like, an independent scholar and cultural tour guide, published by Penguin in 2002. The history of Sumerian art is fully laid out in the marvellous Sumer, The Dawn of Art, a volume in the Arts of Mankind series from French publisher Gallimard, English edition by Thames and Hudson. Though published as early as 1960, its superb illustrations and the text by André Parrot, then curator-in-chief of the French National Museums and a director of the Louvre, make it an indispensable resource for the study of ancient Mesopotamian sculpture and painting. This concludes Babylon by Paul Krivacek, narrated by Derek Perkins. Copyright 2010 by Paul Krivacek. This unabridged audiobook is published by arrangement with Atlantic Books Limited and was produced in the year 2019 by Tantor Media Incorporated, a division of Recorded Books, which holds the copyright thereto. Please visit tantor.com for more information on our growing library of unabridged audiobooks.